start our study in this nice morning. Dava as a chairman in this class, let's try before we begin our study. Thank you.
Before we start about the matter today, let's pray together to God. May you start. Say it now.
Baik, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Rahayu. Okay, good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, how are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay, I'm very well for today. Okay, before we start our study, I will check the attendance of this class. Yes, one by one. Okay, for the first, Wahyu.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Okay, and that's Andrianto.
Yes, sir. I am ready to study English.
Okay, it's very good. Dava.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Okay, it's very good. Diva.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Next, Jessica Ananda.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Okay, number 6, Joko Widodo.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
The name is like us, our president. Yes, give applause. Seven president. Okay, Lydia Desi.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Okay, very good. Mulyani.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Okay, Nuni Novianti.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Pipit Minarwati.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Rizka Kusna.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Okay, Puji Rahayu.
Yes, sir. I'm ready to study English.
Okay, this class all student is present. Yeah, there is no student permission. There is no student is sick for today. Yeah. Okay. Maybe in this morning, yes. Pipit, do you have breakfast?
Yes, sir.
What's the breakfast for this morning?
I'm breakfast with a glass of tea and fried rice.
Why it's good. Do you know about how to make fried rice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, usually might make it. Yes, in your house. And then, all students, do you have breakfast? Yes. Okay. Dava, your house is very far from the school. Okay. Dava, what's the breakfast in this morning of you?
I breakfast with a glass of coffee and pecel.
Oh, glass of coffee is very nice. And then pecel. Do you know how to make pecel, Dava?
Yes, I know, sir.
Wah, yes. Give applause for Dava. Okay, before we start to the material, I have some ice digging. Yeah. Okay. You can follow me. If you happy, clap your hand. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3. If you
Happy, clap your hand. If you happy, clap your hand. If you happy, if you happy, clap your hand.
Okay, it's very good. Okay, I will tell or I will describe, teach of you about the material, how to make pecel, how to make fried rice. Yes, do you know what I mean? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, please, all students watch the video.
Hello, fellow visitors. I'm the meeting Asia in 30-second video. In this video, I would like to give you an example of procedure task. That's about how to make a cup of hot coffee. To make a cup of hot coffee, you need to prepare all the materials. The materials are spoon, cup, coffee powder, sugar, and a glass of hot water. The first step that you must do is preparing all the materials. The second one, Put coffee powder into a cup. Then add the sugar. After that, pour a glass of hot water. For the next, stir it well. And now a
Watch
cup
the
of
video.
hot coffee
Yes.
is ready to drink. Well, supporters, that's all about my video. I hope you can enjoy it. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and bye-bye.
Maybe do you know what video about it? About how?
How to make a glass of coffee.
How to make a glass of coffee. Do you ever make in your house in every morning or in the night make a glass of coffee? Alright? Do you know?
Yes.
Yeah. And then the second video. Yes. The material that we learn today is about procedure text. Yes, procedure step how to make a glass of coffee. The step how to make fried rice. Go. Yes. The teacher how to make a traditional food from Java. Pecel like that. Okay. And the next, please watch the video about procedure text.
Untuk memahami procedure text, at the first time you have to learn about the definition and the social function. Procedure text is a text that explains or help us how to make or how to do something. Procedure text adalah sebuah jenis teks dalam bahasa Inggris yang memberikan langkah-langkah untuk melakukan atau membuat sesuatu. Sementara social function atau tujuan dalam menulis procedure text adalah to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. Jadi, fungsi sosialnya adalah menjelaskan langkah-langkah untuk melakukan sesuatu. We can use procedural text in 3 conditions. Atau kita dapat menggunakan procedural text dalam 3 kondisi, yakni yang pertama, to explain how to use interaction. Misalnya, how to use a video, how to use computer, vending machine, dan lain-lain. Kemudian penggunaan procedural text yang kedua adalah to instruct how to do a particular activities, seperti how to make a scene, how to use rule for video game, dan lain-lain. Selanjutnya, penggunaan procedural text yang ketiga adalah to give tips. Misalnya, how to live happily, tips how to succeed, dan lain-lain. Nah, sahabat Indonesia, kita sudah mempelajari pengertian, social function, serta penggunaan dari procedural text. Selanjutnya, kita akan mempelajari generic structure atau susunan dan contoh dari procedural text. Di bagian ini, kita akan membahas generic structure atau susunan paragraf dalam membuat procedural text. There are 3 generic structure atau ada 3 bagian in procedural text. The first one is goal or purpose. The second one is the material or tools. And the third one are steps or methods. Untuk memudahkan kita dalam belajar, sekarang kita akan menggabungkan bagian-bagian dari procedural text bersama contohnya. Goal adalah bagian di mana sahabat menuliskan tujuan dari menuliskan teks. Bagian ini juga bisa digunakan sebagai judul teks. Sekarang kita cari contoh yang paling mudah. Misalnya, how to make nasi uduk. Selanjutnya kita bahas bagian yang kedua, yakni material or tools. Bagian ini menceritakan bahan-bahan atau peralatan yang kita butuhkan untuk membuat nasi uduk. Contoh bahan-bahannya adalah 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pandan leaf, 1 jeruk purut leaf, 1 salam leaf, and 1 lemongrass. Untuk penulisannya kita letakkan di bawah judul. Kemudian kita tuliskan peralatan yang dibutuhkan, yakni pan, big pot, steamer, and rice paddle. Kita letakkan di bawah ingredients. Dan bagian terakhir yang harus kita tuliskan dalam membuat procedural text adalah step atau method, di mana kita menuliskan langkah-langkah yang harus dilakukan dalam membuat nasi uduk. Berikut contoh dalam menuliskan stepnya. Cooking methods. First, wash the rice and all ingredients. Second, cook the coconut milk in a pan. Then add all ingredients in the pan except the rice. When the coconut milk comes to boil, pour it into a pot filled with the rice and stir it until absorbed. After that, move the rice to a simmer until it's cooked. Finally, garnish it, and it's ready to eat.
Pay attention.
Kemudian letakkan di akhir paragraf di bawah alat dan bahan. Sekarang kita lihat kembali apa yang sudah kita susun. Pertama, kita memiliki goal atau tujuan dalam memberikan tips. Yang kedua adalah alat dan bahan yang dibutuhkan. Selanjutnya yang ketiga adalah steps atau langkah-langkah dalam melakukan pekerjaan. Sahabat Innispedia, kita sudah mempelajari generic structure atau susunan paragraf beserta contoh dalam procedural text. Selanjutnya kita akan mempelajari unsur kebahasaan atau grammar yang terkait. Sahabat Innispedia, di bagian ini kita akan mempelajari language feature atau ciri kebahasaan serta grammar yang digunakan dalam procedural text. Di dalam menyusun procedural text, sahabat harus memperhatikan hal-hal berikut. Unsur kebahasaan pertama yang digunakan dalam menyusun procedural text adalah menggunakan adverb of sequence atau kata penghubung yang menunjukkan urutan. Misalnya first, second, third, then, the last, dan lain-lain. Selanjutnya unsur kebahasaan yang kedua adalah menggunakan imperative sentence. Imperative sentence adalah kalimat perintah. Caranya dengan menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama. Contohnya, put the noodle on, cut the onion, pour the milk, dan lain-lain. Dan unsur kebahasaan yang ketiga adalah menggunakan action verb. Action verb adalah kata kerja yang menunjukkan tindakan. Contohnya, make, take, boil, cook, dan lain-lain. Sahabat Innispedia, tiga hal ini adalah unsur kebahasaan yang harus kita perhatikan ketika kita membuat procedural text. Sangat mudah kan sahabat? Selamat berlatih ya. So, sekian video pembelajaran kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat dan dapat sahabat terapkan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Goodbye and see you on the next video.
Okay, the video is end. Okay, before we continue our lesson for today, okay, I will ask one question for you. What is the social function? Okay, what is the social function of procedural text? Okay, boys didn't know. Raise your hand. What is social function? Okay, maybe Joko, do you know what is social function? Fungsi dari procedural text itu apa? What is that? No, you don't know. Okay, maybe Dava. Yes, what is social function? Dava.
I don't know too.
Yes. Oh, okay. Before we continue our study, okay, we will describe or we will learn about the social function of procedural text. Okay, the procedural text is a text that explain or give information or help reader, reader or is reader, and how to make or how to use something. Jadi teks prosedur adalah teks yang memberikan instruksi atau menginformasikan, membantu kepada para pembacanya untuk membuat sesuatu, step by step, langkah by langkah. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and the next there are two types of procedural text. Okay, the first is read this text. Please read number one. Wow, keras.
Procedural text yang menginstruksikan bagaimana melakukan aktivitas tertentu. Misalnya, how to make a cup of coffee milk, how to make a noodle, how to blind off flower, how to play badminton.
Oke, jadi the first type is procedure text yang menginstruksikan, that instruct how to make some activity. For example, how to make a coffee, how to make a fried rice. It's focused on the side. Ya, jadi cara membuat atau memasak sesuatu. Jadi fokus pelajaran kita hari ini adalah di procedure text yang nomor 1. And then the second one, who want read about number 2? Andri, maybe yes. Yang keras, loud and clear.
Prosedur teks yang menjelaskan bagaimana suatu bekerja atau bagaimana menggunakan instruksi atau cara mengoperasikan manual. Misalnya, how to use komputer, how to record video, how to use Polaroid camera.
Okay, the second one is the procedure text that instruct how to operate. Nah, di procedure text yang kedua ini adalah procedure text yang nanti akan kita bahas pada pertemuan yang selanjutnya. And then for this meeting we focus on the first type of procedure text, how to make a shape. Okay, and the next the generic structure atau susunan dari procedure text, ya, susunan. You know about susunan? Nah, jadi segala sesuatu yang bersifat susunan itu harus apa ya? Urut, ya. Jadi, for example, kamu diminta untuk menyusun, pasti kan urut, ya. Jadi, the generic structure yang pertama adalah goal. Goal itu adalah maksud atau tujuan. Second one is material atau bahan-bahan yang diperlukan. And the third is step ataupun langkah-langkah. Nah, goalnya apa? For example, how to make a cup of coffee. Materialnya apa? For example, untuk membuat kopi kira-kira materialnya apa? You need, yes, coffee. You need a sugar. Yeah, sugar. You need a glass. Yeah, and etc. And then the next is language feature. Ya, language feature itu adalah unsur-unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan. Ya, when we make in written, in oral speaking dalam procedure text ini yang pertama dibaca yang keras. Joko Widodo, the first
menggunakan simple present tense. Procedure text harus ditulis dengan menggunakan simple present tense yang guys. Hal ini dikarenakan dalam procedure text terdapat kalimat-kalimat perintah mengenai cara membuat atau melakukan sesuatu.
Yeah, it's correct, it's true. You have to use simple present tense. Yeah, simple present tense. That's just simple. Yeah. And then the second one, use imperative sentence. Okay, Jessica, read for the second. Yang keras.
Menggunakan kalimat pemerintah
Imperatif
sentence. Apakah yang dimaksud kalimat pemerintah atau
imperatif sentence
pada
procedure text.
Imperatif sentence
Selalu
diawali oleh
verb
satu
dari action verb
atau kata kerja yang melibatkan aktivitas fisik. Jika kita
jadi
kita tidak perlu
pelan-pelan, ya, slowly
di awal kalimatnya. Contoh and mix its brand. Kalimat ini diawali oleh verb 1 and tidak ada subjek di awal kalimatnya.
Okay, it's good. Jessica, ini the second is use imperative sentence ataupun kalimat pemerintah. Okay, and then the next language feature, ya, setelah menggunakan kalimat perintah, di sini menggunakan kata keterangan atau yang dinamakan adverb, kata keterangan, Oke, dapat please read kata keterangan menggunakan kata keterangan adverb.
Menggunakan kata keterangan atau adverb.
Kata keterangan atau adverb digunakan untuk memberikan keterangan waktu. Ada dua jenis kata keterangan atau adverb yang digunakan dalam prosedur teks, yaitu adverb of time atau kata keterangan waktu yang menandakan berapa lama kita harus melakukan sesuatu. Contoh, in 10 minutes for 1 hours. Adverb of manner atau keterangan cara bagaimana melakukan sesuatu. Contoh, slowly, well, and actually.
Okay, and the last use adverb atau yang dikatakan kata keterangan waktu. Jadi if you cook something, if you make something, actually all that is need a time. For example, you have to boil in 10 minutes. You have to stir, slowly, dengan pelan-pelan. Nah, you have to wipe, for example. Okay, it is the example about how to make a cup of coffee. Okay, what is goal? Tujuannya apa tuh yang pertama? Goalnya apa ya? About how to make a cup of coffee. Dan the material, bahan-bahannya apa kira-kira? Ingredient. And the last step. Okay, how many steps in make a cup of coffee based on the text? How many steps? 7 steps. Okay, it's very good. Give applause for all. Okay, before we continue our study about procedure text, I will give to you about in this occasion, in this lesson, we focus, learn about procedure text in speaking skill. Jadi kita fokusnya itu latihan apa? Speaking skill apa? Speaking skill apa? Kemampuan berbicara. Jadi kita latihan lah speakingnya yang bagus. Nah, karena jika kita belajar bahasa Inggris nantinya itu berguna nggak buat pekerjaan kita nantinya? Berguna nggak kira-kira? Berguna. Maybe you get opportunity to interview. Kamu dapat kesempatan untuk interview. Ditanya, for example, can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Nah, jadi pasti bahasa Inggris itu dalam berbicara itu mendukung ketika besok kita mencari sebuah pekerjaan. Apalagi anak-anak semua, you are beautiful, you are handsome, pasti nantinya setelah kamu lulus dari sekolah di SMK Negeri Jambi ini kan kalian nanti ingin kalau nggak kuliah ya bekerja, kalau nggak kuliah ya kerja, tapi jangan buru-buru nikah dulu ya. Nah, pokoknya you have to continue your study or you have to work. So you must learn and you must try to speak English. Okay, if you try or you learn about speaking English, ada 4 aspek ini yang jadi penilaian pada hari ini nanti. Jadi yang pertama ketika kita belajar menggunakan bahasa Inggris, yang pertama adalah tentang pronunciation-nya atau pengucapan. Pengucapannya bagaimana? And then the second one is vocabulary. Vocab ataupun kosakata itu nanti yang menjadi aspek sebuah penilaian ketika kalian nanti unjuk kerja di kelas ini. Okay, and then the third is tata bahasa, grammar. For example, hi friends, my is Joko, harusnya my name, grammar. And the last is fluency ataupun kelancaran. Jadi lancar nggak kan kira-kira tahu. Jadi makanya kita harus selalu berlatih. Jadi always use English instruction, sebisa mungkin kita menggunakan instruksi-instruksi, interaksi sederhana di kelas bahasa Inggris. Kuncinya adalah don't be shy. Apa tuh? Jangan malu. Kita harus pede. You have self confidence. Karena belajar bahasa itu harus pede anak-anak. Ya, kita nggak boleh malu-maluin, ya, disuruh berbicara, disuruh tampil, kita malu. Nah, harusnya kan kita harus don't shy and we have to have a self confidence. Okay, do you know?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, jadi paham ya untuk penilaian kita di hari ini adalah kita fokus kepada speakingnya. Okay, now let's practice to speak in your group. Okay, I give 10 hitungan. Jadi temukan grup kalian, find and join with your groups, ya, with your bestie. Oke ya, gabung di grupnya masing-masing. Ya, dari sekarang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nah, oke ya. Jadi all of you find your group. Oke ya. This is group, the first group. This the second, and the last is the third group. Okay. Okay, and then we have choose our LKPD atau lembar kerja peserta didik. Okay, all of groups ya. Now decide who is the leader of your group. Yes, who is the leader of your group? Tentukan ketua grupnya sekarang. Time is yours. Silakan berunding ya. Ayo, tempat duduknya juga saling berhadapan-hadapan ya. Silakan. I have 3 lembar kerja peserta didik atau yang dinamakan LKPD ya. What is the leader of the group? Raise your hand. Pipit, and then who is the leader of your group? And the last, who is the leader of your group? Si Diva. I have 3 LKPD. For the first group, you choose what color you choose in well of names. Ya, jadi kita ini pakai untuk ngacak ya. Jadi saya nggak mau bagi. Pak ini terlalu mudah Pak, Pak ini terlalu sulit Pak. Makanya kita acak saja ya menggunakan aplikasi ini. Well of names. Okay, the first group you choose what color? Yellow. Yellow ya. And then you blue. And the last right. It's never mind ya. Jadi LKPD pertama. Kita acak dulu di sini. Nah, LKPD 1 jatuh ini ya. Kelompok blue watch. How to make pecel. Please ya. Learn with your groups. And then LKPD 1 sudah saya remove ya karena ini sudah sold out ya, bahasanya sold out. And the next, the LKPD, the next, for the next, for the red, red is, yes, Jessica, you get how to make a pot. And then the last, just only one. Just only one of you. How to make a fried rice. Now student, time is yours ya. Nah, kali ini untuk Karena kita kan fokusnya hari ini yang kita pelajari adalah tentang speaking. Bagaimana kamu berbicara menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Jadi ada aspek sebenarnya yang kita pelajari dalam bahasa Inggris. The first is listening. What is listening?
Mendengarkan.
And then reading. What is reading? And then writing. What is writing?
Menulis.
That is speaking. What is speaking?
Berbicara.
Okay, all of you, maybe you bring your gadget, your handphone. Yes. For the first step, please connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah, Wi-Fi. In this room, you can use an Wi-Fi akuntansi. Please connect your handphone or your gadget to Wi-Fi. Okay, can you connect? Okay, can you connect ya? Okay, competent or to help you increase about speaking skill ya. Aplikasinya bernama ini Voice Typing. Nah ini mungkin sebuah pengalaman baru buat kalian ya. Apa tuh Voice Typing itu? Saya dulu di SMP belum pernah dapat, kelas 1 belum pernah dapat. Nah sekarang dikenalkan oleh Pak Indra. Voice Typing ini sebenarnya apa? Oke, silakan diperhatikan dulu tentang langkah-langkah untuk menginstalnya.
How to apply the use of voice typing in your gadget. First open your Play Store, type Google Docs, and then click Install. Second, after you open, press the button and then press Setting.
Okay, the next. Okay, I'm so sorry. The first one. Please open your Play Store. Do you know Play Store in your gadget?
Yes.
Very good. Please open your Play Store and then type Google Docs atau Google Dokumen. Silakan diketik Google Dokumen. Nah, Google Dokumen ketik dulu ya. Ketik. Siapa yang nggak bisa? Who is not able? Oh, Oke. Google Dokumen. Google Dokumen. Oke. Yes, Google Dokumen. This is Google Dokumen. Yeah. Okay. And then after you click, and then you have to install. Klik install. Ini juga sebenarnya kita juga belajar prosedur teks yang nantinya akan kita bahas di pertemuan yang akan datang. Ya. Tata cara itu termasuk juga dalam bentuk prosedur teks. Silakan di install dulu. Nah, setelah selesai di install, ya sudah ya. Coba di apa itu? Klik dulu install. Okay, wait for the second. Ya. We have to be patient. Harus sabar ya, karena ini Wi-Fi-nya digunakan oleh banyak orang. Jadi makanya apa ya? Mungkin agak berjalan slowly, pelan-pelan. Tapi nggak apa-apa ya, namanya kita juga belajar. Oke, Coko, you able to use? Oke. Nah, and then okay, all is installed. And then ini klik open. Okay, and the next.
Third, press the button of Language Settings. Fourth, you have to choose English, UK.
Oke, yang ketiga, the third is silakan dipilih ya di pengaturan bahasanya, pengaturan bahasa ya. Language setting ya. Nah, kamu harus memilih language settingnya. Untuk inputannya itu adalah memilih English UK, United Kingdom. Yes, alright. Okay, dipilih. Okay, have you finished? Yes, have you finished? Okay, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, have you finished?
Speaking
Oh yeah, yes, I forget ya. Okay, I give you about sign name. Group 1 ya, group 2. What's group? Group 3. Okay, group 3. In English ya, please use in English. What's group? Group 1. Group 1. Okay, it's very good. In English ya, in English please, because this is an English class. Okay, and then you is group 2, the second group. Okay. Oke, berhasil ya, sukses ya untuk install ini. Oke, and then the last step.
Fifth, press the button of microphone. In the last step, the voice typing is ready to use.
Nah, ini ya.
You have to speak English and the application will type.
Oke, and the fifth step ya, langkah kelima adalah ini. Tekan ini ya. Ada ini ya, ada tombol mikrofonnya ya, kecil gitu ya. Ada ya? Okay. Can you find in your gadget? Yes? Yes, this is the microphone. Okay, this is tombol microphone ya. Corner. Okay. And you? What is that? Oh yes, tombol mikrofonnya ya di sini. Ini? Nah, tombol mikrofonnya di mana? Okay, and then you. Oh yes, in the corner ya. Tombol mikrofon. Okay, I will check for the first group. Okay, can you use? Okay, dapat. Okay, tombol mikrofon, and then the next, Joko. Okay, oh, it's very good. Okay, and the next.
Thank you.
Yes, this is very good. Tombol mikrofonnya. Can you able? Okay, it's very good. And then for the third group, yes, I will check about your gadget. Yeah, please don't open your social media. Yeah, we have to focus to use this application. Tolong ya, jangan main Instagram, TikTok. Nanti setelah after you finish our study or our lesson, please ya, you have to try you speaking with this application. Very safe. Okay, microphone. Okay, very safe. Yes, microphone. Very safe. Okay, very safe. Okay. Okay. So yeah. We can conclude that you all in here success to install Google Docs. Jadi semuanya sukses ya untuk menginstal Google Docs-nya ini. Jadi silahkan dilatih speakingnya menggunakan Google Docs. Semuanya bisa ya ini ya. Nah, dapat teksnya. Silahkan latihan speaking. Can I borrow your gadget? Yes. Okay, hello. Hello. Okay, if you can success, to install about this application. Maybe you can use this application by press the button of microphone. You can speak, and then the application will type about you have speaking. In item of the text. Yes. For example, okay, how to make French fries. This is I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, I will repeat. Yes, this is kosong ya, ini ya kosong. Jadi kita latihan ngetik itu pakai voice typing nih, pakai suara. Jadi kita nanti tahu, oh iya ini sudah betul atau belum ini pronunciation-nya ya. Oh ini udah betul atau belum ini cara pengucapannya. Jadi nanti kedetek di sini ya, karena ini tadi sudah saya cek ya. I have checked for your handphone. All student might be to be have done success to install this application. Okay, for example, how to make fried rice. Nah, success ya. How to make fried rice. Tulisannya juga betul, tulisannya juga betul, tulisannya juga betul. Ya. Jadi kalau ngomong yang keras ya jangan pelan-pelan ya, anak-anak ya. Pelan-pelan. Nanti setelah after you finish this lesson nanti oke lah Pak Guru terakhir semuanya nanti ya biar semangat ya. Yes. Jadi yang keras ngomongnya.
Oke.
Gak bisa kalau
Kalau kecil itu suaranya nggak tulisannya tuh nggak pas lah. Add the eggs and scramble it until half-cooked.
Nah, okay ya. The next, for example, ingredients. Ingredients.
How to make a fruit egg?
Number one. One plate of cooked rice.
Step number 5. The cooked rice and keep
2
it
eggs.
How to make a fruit egg?
Out of the carry and
2 medium onions.
One chicken.
Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. First step,
Frying pan.
second step,
Oke, it's success ya, it's success ini. Silahkan dilatih ya. Yang keras ini.
2 sets of violin.
Oke, Joko, you can continue your trying to speak English. Baik, silahkan semuanya dilatih ya.
step of how to cook fried rice, step of how to cook fried rice,
all the eggs and scramble it until half-cooked. And chili powder. Hold the cooked rice, then keep still for a minute. Next, add the seasoning such as the salt, pepper, and salt, and mix them all with rice.
step of how to cook fried rice,
How to make a fruit egg? Ingredients. Number 1 chicken. The next 350 eggs.
the first step. Get a medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil.
After it's well cooked,
Then after it's healthy enough, add the garlic, onion and chili.
Next, stick of lemon grass.
Chili.
Ingredients
verify the ingredients until it's tender.
After it's take the bread rice and shape.
It's tender.
Ayo sekarang semua berlatih ya, anak-anak ya. You have to try to speak in English. Jadi nanti termasuk keaktifan kalian ya. Pak Guru juga mengamati ya. Nanti keaktifan kalian di grup. Nanti Pak Guru juga akan memberikan penilaian. Di samping nanti Pak Guru juga akan melakukan penilaian dalam ketika nanti kalian presentasi di depan kelas ya. When you presentation in front of the class. Okay.
And mix the flour with the rice. Next, add the necessary salt, salt, pepper,
How to make opal iron?
Tender.
sauce, the sauce, pepper, and salt, until it's tender.
Tender. Okay, thank you. Step of how to cook fried fish. Steps of how to cook
Okay,
fried
group
fish.
3. Okay, group 3. Okay, what's your name? Okay.
Ingredients.
And the next, what's your name? Priska.
Number 1.
First,
And next, what's your name?
Step number 4.
first step.
Lydia.
First type.
And the last, what's your name?
First step, number 1.
Kelompok 3. Ayo berlatih ya. You have to try ya. Speak English with your application in your kitchen. And then group 1. Okay. Pak Presidennya di sini ternyata ya. Besok padahal mau mantu Pak Presidennya.
Ya, Pak.
Jokowi.
Bisa.
Let's go. Oke, Jokowi betul. And the next I'm adalah gampang. Oke, yuk latihan. Please try to speak with your application.
How to make opal iron?
First step. Step 1.
Okay, the second one. Good. Okay, name. Tomato sauce.
Step 1. Heat a medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil.
And last one. Ya, ada kesulitan nggak? Jadi silahkan ya.
Step 2. After it, helter cannot add
Jangan
the
dihapus dulu ya.
onion and
Halo.
chili.
Jadi jangan dihapus dulu ya. Kalau ngomong dihapus. Jadi silakan ngomong sebanyak-banyaknya nanti apa ya? Pak Guru, I will check your Google Docs. Jadi seberapa sering kamu ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris nanti kelihatannya di teksnya. Jadi so John delete your writing. Yes. Jadi silakan ngomong sebanyak-banyaknya yang keras ya, yang keras.
Ingredients and the standard. Step of how to prepare rice.
All the different rice organic with one time.
First step, help a medium frying pan on the vegetable oil.
Next,
Step 2,
add
after
the
it's
necessary
melted down, add the garlic, onion and chili.
and salt and mix them all together.
Step 3, stir frying the ingredients until it's tender.
After it's done,
Step of how
then
to
add
cook
rice
fried rice.
and serve on the
Step 1, help a medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil. Step 2, after it's melted enough, add the garlic, onion and chili. Step 3, stir fry the ingredients until it's tender.
pour the cooked rice. Then keep stir for
Step of how to cook
minutes.
rice. Step 1, help a medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil.
Next,
Yes. Careful. Yes. Careful.
Step 2, after it
Ya, yang terus ya. Belajar asik ya pakai aplikasinya.
add the garlic, onion and chili. Step 3, stir frying the ingredients until it's tender.
Why can you so many words speaking?
Sauce.
Okay, it's very good.
Pepper. Kertas.
Paper. Paper.
Oh, okay. Sit down, please.
Sekarang lagi.
Yes, you're welcome.
And salt.
Okay, the student, if you bring your bottle of drink, please, yeah.
And
While
salt.
studying, you can drink in this classroom. Okay. Jadi nggak apa-apa ya, silakan kalau minum boleh sambil minum ya. Asal jangan makan ya. Don't eat in the class.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
My name is
Step of how to cook fries.
I'm afraid. Kalau boleh.
Ya silakan dilatih terus ya. Nah, pertanyaannya ini ya.
Step 1. Set up a cube frying pan and pour the vegetable oil.
and this is my friend.
Okay. Step 2. After it has set enough, add the garlic, onion, and cheese.
Sip atau serve. Nah, tulisannya kelihatan di sini. Betul seperti apa? After it's well cooked, ya, take the fried rice and serve. Serve. Ada server itu kan pelayan. Jadi serve itu menyajikan. Plate. Jadi apa ya? Tentang pronunciation itu pengucapan ya, pengucapan itu juga menjadi aspek penilaian dalam speaking. Jadi makanya apa ya, ini kan bisa detect, oh iya ini ternyata saya ngomong plate ya sama plate tulisannya beda. Iya betul, berarti apa? Plate. Cool.
At the pace.
Wow.
Today we will presentation.
At the system.
Today we will try the ingredients until it's tender. Step 1. Make the frying pan. Pour the vegetable oil. Step 2. After it has the ingredients and the garlic tender. Until it tender.
How to make at the system.
It's
First you need
tender.
First.
Tender.
You. Salsu.
Tender.
Sus. Sus as first. Salsu.
Ayo latihan terus ya. Use English interaction ya in this class because this is an English class. Ya. Silakan dilatih Wednesday. Coba mana tulisannya mana? Oh, ini writing. Tidak spoken.
Pepper.
Okay, oh it's very good.
Second step.
Maybe you can speak
After it has the enough, add the garlic, onion, and chili.
And salt. And system all with the fiber.
Then flap.
One plate of
Stir frying the ingredients.
System all.
Second step. Stir fry the ingredients until it's tender.
Yes, it's very good. How many steps in how to make it based on your step? How many steps? How many steps?
All.
5 steps. What is the second step? You repeat. What is the second step?
The step. Number soil thoroughly the spinach, plantain, and peanuts for stem put aside. Number two, pound the fried peanut into dry powder using the mortar and pestle.
Jadi diganti ya nanti ya presentasi ya. You have to divide ya. Your type ya. You can divide into part.
Excuse me, sir.
Part.
I
Yes.
want to go to toilet.
Where do you go?
I'm going to
Oh yes. Okay, but please be careful ya because in front of the class there is many cable.
Yes, sir.
Here, after a question, well,
Like
Divide ya. For example, and then the presentation yang open itu siapa, and then siapa nanti yang akan menjelaskan bahannya, and then the step-stepnya mungkin si PP bisa menjelaskan step pertama sampai dengan step kedua, and then your friends the next step. Please be orally ya, be orally, jangan full text baca ya karena kita latihan speaking. Dan bisa interaksi Yuk, silakan dicoba-coba dulu. Okay, what's the goal? What's the title of the tag? How many ingredients on it? How many ingredients? How many? 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there is a spice that must be pure. Ada bumbunya juga ya ini ya. How many spices? Spice that must be pure. How many?
Excuse me, sir.
Number.
Yes, sit down please.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Careful. Okay, 10. Okay, and next, how many steps? 9. Okay. What is the last step? The last step terakhirnya apa ya? What is the last step? Diva. Yang keras itu. Okay, it's very good Diva. Bisa yang cek ya, saya tidak benar bacanya. Saya juga benar speakingnya, pakai aplikasinya ya ini ya.
Yes.
Very good Diva. Good job.
Pour the rice.
Contact of you, how to make opor ayam. Okay, Jessica, how many ingredients based on your text? How many ingredients? How many ingredients? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, 5 ingredients. Yeah, for to make opor ayam, it need 5 ingredients. And that's yes, Diva. How many steps? 9 steps. What is the first step of your text?
Clean the chicken first, then cut into pieces.
Okay, it's very good ya. Okay, lanjut berlatihnya menggunakan voice typing ya. It's very good.
Yes.
Medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil. Like 2 steps. After it has get enough, add the garlic, onion, and chili.
Add the seasoning.
Step 3. Stir fry the ingredients until it's tender.
Oke, pay attention ya. Tinggal 5 menit lagi ya. Until 5 minutes.
Yes.
Try your books. And then after that, you have to come on front of the class ya. In front of the class, for presentation. Yes. Do you know? Yes. Are you ready? Oke ya, biar gak ngantuk kita bikin sebentar ya. You can follow me. If you happy, say hooray. If you happy, say hooray. If you happy, say hooray. Oke, untuk semangat, give applause for all. Yuk silakan dilatih lagi, tinggal 5 menit. Nanti setelah itu, and after that you have to in front of the class with your group and make presentation about text relate from text ya, with orally ya. Dilatih speakingnya di depan.
Laptop, yes, laptop. Turn off.
Step 1. Head napkin, frying pan, and for the vegetable oil. Step 2. After it's had the enormous egg, the garlic, onion, and chili.
Hey, hello.
Hi.
Thanks over about the discuss and your group, and then please prepare yourself and prepare with your groups to presentation in front of the class. Jadi silakan dipersiapkan ya kita presentasi. Oke, akan saya acak ya. I will shuffle of your groups. Boys will be the first to presentation. Who will be the second? Who will be the third? Oke ya. Oke, kita acak bareng-bareng ya.
Yes, sir.
Kita hitung 1, 2, 3 itu ya. Oke. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Lagi.
Ready?
And go.
Yes, reverse.
First one.
Oke, the first group. Give applause. Okay, please, the first group, with your friends, time is yours to presentation in front of the class. Okay, that is yours.
Okay, let's go, boys. HP-nya siapa?
Oh iya, HP-nya tadi untuk ngeras record ya. HP-mu ya.
HP-mu kameranya.
What's the text? How to make fried rice? Empat ya ini ya. Oke, kita record ya. Oke, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Record 1, 2, 3. Okay, please.
Hello friend, we are from group 1. Introduce. My name is Anwar Yufasya and this is my friend.
My name is Andrianto.
My name is Joko Widodo.
And then my name is Muhammad Fafansa.
We stand here, will tell about how to make a fried rice. First, preparing the ingredients. First, 1 plate of cooked rice. Second, 2 eggs. Third, 1 teaspoon of salt. Fourth, 2 medium onions, chopped. 5, 6, chili powder. Adjust based on your spicy level.
7, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. 8, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Utensil. Number 1, frying pan. Number 2, stove. Number 3, spoon. Number 5 and number 4, spatula. Number 5, plate.
Step of how to cook fried rice. Step 1. Heat a medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil. Step 2. After it's heated enough, add the garlic, onion and chili. Step 3. Stir fry the ingredients until it's tender.
Okay. Step number 4. Add the eggs and scramble it until half cooked. Hold the cooked rice, then keep stir for a minute. Next, add the seasoning such as the sauce, pepper, and salt, and mix them all with the rice. After it's well cooked, take the fried rice and serve on the plate. Okay, thank you.
Okay, friend, any question?
Okay, who will be give question? Ya, siapa yang mau beri pertanyaan? Ya, the student will give question. I will give score for you. Okay.
Yes, you.
How many steps in your process?
There is 7 steps.
Can you repeat what is it about the question? Can you repeat?
How many steps in your process?
Okay.
7 steps.
There have 7 steps.
Okay, 7 steps. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Diva.
Okay, Diva, it's very good. Okay. Any question?
Any question again?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. If there is no question, how many ingredients? Maybe how many ingredients in your text?
8 ingredients.
How many?
8.
Yes. 8. Okay. Please close your presentation.
If there is no question, we will end our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Give applause. Good job. Okay. Sit down, please. Okay. Don't forget your gadget. Okay. Don't forget your gadget. Start the video ya, your gadget. And the next one, will be Lisa. Okay, baik. We will shuffle your name. Ya. Just only to group 2 and group 3. Okay. Kita hitung bersama-sama. 1, 2, 3. Ya, grup 3. Give applause. Yes. Okay, time is yours from group 3. Don't forget ya, bring your gadget to record. To record your presentation. Yes, very good. What? How to make? What is it? How to make a job? Ini sudah direkod belum? Kita tak mau kampus. Okay, group 3. Okay, time is yours. Please.
Hi friends.
Hi.
We are from group 3. My name is to make pecel?
Ingredients: number 1, apple spinach. Number 2, log bean. Number 3, 1 cup bean sprouts. Number 4, 1 cucumber squeeze. Number 5, 1 of carrot squeeze.
Ingredients of red sauce. Number 1, 1 cup fried carrot. Number 2, 1 cup of garlic. Number 3, 2 red chilies. Number 4, 1 tablespoon shrimp pasta. Number 5, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Number 6, a half tablespoon tamarind. Number 7, 1 lemon. Number 8, salt to taste. Number 9, boiling water depending on its thickness.
Utensils: number 1, paneer. Number 2, mortar and pestle. Number 3, serving dish. Number 4, bowl.
The step number 1, boil thoroughly the spinach, long bean, and spinach pork, then put aside. Number 2, form the fried peanut into a fry powder using the mortar and pestle. Crush the garlic, sweet pasta, chilies, brown sugar, tamarind, lemon left in the pasta, adding a little salt.
Number 3, mix the peanut and the pasta together and add boiling water to decide thickness. Number 4, on a serving dish, spread the vegetable out, put the spinach leaves, soak the egg with long with the sliced cucumber, then in the center put the carrot and bean sprout. Number 5, put the peanut sauce over all this and garnish with purple and serve immediately.
Be any question for group?
Okay, maybe any question? Who will be the question? Okay, okay.
How many steps on your process?
5 steps.
Okay, five steps. Okay. Maybe any question?
Maybe any question?
Okay. Any question again?
No, sir.
Okay. Any question again?
No.
Okay. Next question, please. Closing your presentation.
If there is no question, we will end our presentation. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Good job. Okay. Wow. Okay. Start recording in your kitchen. And the last who will be the next group? Yes. Group. Please come on from the front of the class. Prepare your gadget or smartphone to record you when you presentation. Okay. Jangan lupa.
Siapa itu?
Okay, the second group. Okay, Jessica and friends. Okay, Jessica and
Yes.
friends. Yes. Okay, can you record here, please? Okay, thanks. Yours. Yes, very good. Okay, prepare your question for me.
Hello, we are from group 2. My name is Diva and my friends. My name is Mrinoviani.
My name is Riani.
My name is Jessica Ananda Putri. We will tell about how to make opor ayam. Ingredients: number 1 chicken. Next, 300 ml of thick coconut milk. Next, 600 of diluted coconut milk. Next, 2 spoons of bay leaf. Next, bite of lemongrass.
Spices that must be pureed. Number 1, in onion greens. Next, 6 garlic greens. Next, 3 candle nut. Next, 1 tablespoon pepper. Next, 2 cm turmeric. Next, 3 cm garlic. Next, 2 cm ginger. Next tablespoons saline Next, salt to taste it. Next, sugar to taste it.
Step number 1, clean the chicken breast and cut it into pieces. Number 2, add the oil into seconds, 3 on the papers and reduce your food. Number 3, add the chicken gently and leave the red seasoning. Number 4, add the coconut milk with 3 again.
Number 5, after oil the coconut milk will decrease, then add thick coconut milk and other spices. Number 6, cook until the chicken is cooked and tender. Number 7, lift and set aside. Number 8, a simple chicken broth is ready to be served. Number 9, serve together with a plate of rice cake which has been cut into pieces.
Okay.
Any question?
Okay, any question? Okay, Titik.
What is the goal of your text?
What is the goal? What?
How to make opor ayam.
How to make
Opor ayam.
Okay, it's very good. Okay, maybe is any question?
No.
Okay, if there is no question, I will ask one question for you. How many steps in your text? How many steps? 9 steps. Okay, please closing your presentation.
Okay. If there is no question, we will end our presentation. Thank you.
Don't forget, set your record. Yeah. Okay, ketiga-tiganya, all of group in this class, yes, in English class, yes, have done to be presentation in front of the class. Yeah. So, maybe I will give some feedback, yes. Maybe I will give beberapa saran atau masukan untuk aktivitas dalam kegiatan pagi hari ini, ya. Nah, oke. Secara garis besar, ya, penggunaan voice typing, ya, the use of voice typing, ya, itu can help you in speaking English, yes. Penggunaan voice typing itu bantu nggak kira-kira dalam kita belajar bahasa Inggris? Bantu nggak kira-kira? Membantu. Karena apa kira-kira? What is the reason? Ya, what is the reason? Raise your hand. Maybe Rafa, what is the reason? Kenapa bisa membantu?
Karena kita bisa tahu Pak, gimana cara ngomongnya benar, tulisannya yang benar itu gimana.
Ya, jadi poinnya adalah kita bisa mengetahui ya. Contoh spellingnya ini kurang benar, oh ini pronounnya kurang benar. But maybe how to make a fried rice, how to make opor ayam, ya. Next, turn on, ya, mix, stir it well. Jadi kata-kata yang kamu ucapkan in your spoken English, ya, nah, the application will type automatically, ya. It's very useful for study or to learn about speaking English. Ya. Jadi secara garis besar aplikasinya membantu ya anak-anak ya ini ya. Nah, membantu. Jadi untuk sekedar masukan saja for my suggestion for you. Nah, di rumah nanti silahkan diamati masing-masing videonya. Ya, karena masih ada beberapa kata-kata yang mungkin kurang tepat. Ya, bukan salah sebenarnya, tapi kurang tepat ya. For example dalam ini hill, ya, ada yang baca hell. Hell itu artinya apa? Go to hell. Apa? Go to hell apa?
Neraka.
Nah, itu bacanya apa? Hill, a medium frying pan. Ada yang baca hell. Nah, hell itu artinya kalau orang dengar, oh hell ya, neraka ya. Nah, jadi hill, a medium frying pan, and pour the vegetable oil. Ya, heel. I'm so sorry. Ya, sorry, head. Ya, bukan heel. Ya, maka saya agak sedikit ini ya. Head. Ya, head. Head. Ya, head sama dengan ini. Ini apa? Kepala. Ya, head. Ya, head. Ya, head. Ini sama. Nah, and then for example, ya. Nah, pou. Ya, pou, bukan pur. Pur itu miskin. Pou, ya, pou. Jadi kelihatan nantinya. Pour, tuangkan. Pur itu miskin. Ya, pour, tuangkan. Jadi ada beberapa mungkin kata-kata yang apa ya perlu dilatih. You need trying it in your house with your friends maybe, and after this class you might while you eat, drink some of coffee in the canteen, or you might be with your friends in the library, in the park, in the school. You can always try about this application. Jadi aplikasi ini termasuk baru, ya. Jadi tujuannya adalah untuk meningkatkan kemampuan dalam belajar bahasa Inggris, terutama dalam aspek speaking skill. Oke. Okay, for the last, ya. Nah, for the last, after we end our meeting, ya, in this class, please, you can send your record video to my WhatsApp. Yes. Do you know? Yes. Do you understand? Yes. All students have record with your gadget, with your smartphone, and then after this class end. Yes, maybe voice bring the gadget for record. You have to send your record video for me, ya. And then I give you score. Jadi akan saya berikan skor penilaian. Nah, tapi juga video tadi bisa kamu jadikan apa? Bahan pengamatan. Oh iya, ternyata speaking saya ini masih kurang bagus. Oh iya, saya udah bagus, ternyata ini perlu ditingkatkan lagi. Jadi itu salah satu trik, ya, menggunakan video untuk melatih speaking. Jadi silakan banyak-banyak berlatih di rumah. Okay, before I closing this study or before I close this lesson, maybe some of you any question for me about that we learn related the material procedure text or how to use of voice typing? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira? Nggak ada pertanyaan? Oke, yakin? Nggak ada pertanyaan? Yakin? Sudah paham semua ya? Jadi saya terangkan sekali lagi bahwasanya prosedur teks adalah teks yang menerangkan tentang tata cara, step, langkah-langkah membuat sesuatu. Langkah-langkah itu berarti kan harus urut, ya. Kalau nggak urut berarti kan itu tidak tidak sampai kepada tujuan, goal tujuan, and then ingredients, alat-alat, material atau bahan-bahan, and then the last is step atau yang dinamakan langkah-langkah. Okay, saya menyarankan, ya, I suggest to you, yes, always use your gadget, always use your handphone, yeah, especially to study. Yes, don't play games too much, yeah. Don't play TikTok too much, don't play social media too much, because maybe there is no education if you waste your time with holiday, waste your time with playing social media. Yeah. Especially, I suggest that you always use your gadget, your smartphone to learn and to study. Especially in your house with your friends, or you are alone. Always try to speak. Okay, if there is no question, yeah, the chairman, Dava, please let's this study closing or before we end our study. Dava, time is yours.
Before we end today's lesson, let's pray together to God. Praying start. Praying now.
Yeah, because time is over, I think I'm for something. Thanks for your attention and thanks for your coming to school for today. See you for next time.
See you.
See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.